Hi
everyone! We're opening a new hospital today. It is a grand opening. Are you ready, Raj? Raj? Where are you? Roger, that's not funny. Where are you? Raj, are you in there? I guess not. Raj, we've got a hospital to open. Stop messing around. Huh? What? What's going on here? Raj? What are you doing in there?
I'm so nervous, Sam. I can't handle it.
Brace yourself, young man. Breathe in and out. After all, patients are waiting for you. Good luck. You're gonna need it.
Okay, let's do it.
Oh, finally! The hospital! Help me! I'm in labor! Please!
Creme brulee, candies, pizza...
Sam! Wake up! Sam!
Huh? What? Where? Raj, what is it?
We have our first patient here, Sam. We'll help you, don't worry. Let me check your condition. Huh? We need to do an ultrasound. All right, kitty. Are you ready? Stay calm. Oh, look at that. We've got 7 babies here. It's a big surprise. We need to take a pressure test. Oh, great. You're doing fine.
Dr. Raj, I brought an IV.
Awesome. Thanks, Sammy.
No problem.
Here we go. It's time to put in an IV. And an oxygen mask. There you go. Let's put a sheet over our kitty. You're going to be fine. We'll take care of you. Okay, are you ready to become a mom? Oh, wow, just look at this cute little guy. Here's our first baby. Isn't he precious? And here comes the second kitten. Wow, you're such a little cutie. Let's put you in here.
Aw, those twins are so cute. Aw.
All right, who's next? The third, it's on its way. What a tiny kitten. Let's put you with your siblings. And who's hiding in there? I can see you, baby. You're a little mischievous, aren't you? And here's another charmer. How can you be so cute? They all are.
Holy cannoli! How did they all fit in there?
Guess what, Sammy? We have more kittens coming. Whoa! All right. We have a talker here. We're almost done. Wow, what a handsome boy. There you go. I think we're down to the last one. Here it comes. So adorable. All 7 kittens were delivered safely. Now let's get this thing off you and remove the IV. Very carefully. Let's not forget the oxygen mask. Mama cat, are you ready to hold your little ones for the first time? Jump in! Wow, just look at this sweet, sweet family. Isn't that adorable?
Congratulations! Your babies look just like you, Mrs. Cat.
Thank you.
Bye-bye, cuties. I heard Dr. Sam opened the hospital. Oh, I hope he can help me. Ouch.
Tell me, what happened?
My head hurts.
You're in good hands. Okay, now let's get all the tools we need ready. Let's check the temperature. Oh, you have a fever. We need to take action now. Luckily, I have everything we need here. First, let's get the fever down. There you go. Trust me, you'll feel better soon. The sensors are on. And also... Huh? Oh no! Hang on, buddy! It doesn't work! No, wait, buddy! I'm not giving up on you that easy. Come on! Whoa! We need Dr. TV Man in the emergency room!
Hurry!
I came as quickly as I could, Dr. Raj. What's the problem? Don't worry, kitten. I'll help you. It won't hurt at all.
Phew. Thank you, Doctor. I think our cat is okay. Isn't that right, buddy?
I'm feeling great again. Doctor, help me.
Sure thing. Let me open the door for you.
Thank you. Oh.
That's a lot of dust. Well, hello, patient cutie. How can we help you?
Let's take a closer look. Okay. Okay. I see. Poor thing. He's full of lice and sores.
Let's get everything ready for the cleanup then. And don't forget our first aid kit. Okay, now let's start with the brushing. Ew, gross. You know, let's run a bath for you first. Let's get it out of here. There it is. Now let's get you in the bathtub, buddy. Here we go. First, we're going to start by brushing with soap and water to wash off all this dust. Let's dry you off with a towel now. Look at all this dirt. Poor baby. This sponge looks nasty. All right, isn't it great to feel refreshed? Now let's get you back on the bed.
It's time for the flea spray.
Thanks, Sammy. That's just what we need. Okay, let's get to work. So what do we have here? Ew! Okay, let's get these bugs off you, shall we? There are a lot of them. Go away, nasty things. Here we go. Much better. No more bugs. Now we'll need cotton balls and tweezers. Let's use them to remove any remaining dirt. It's working! Wow, you're so clean now. Doesn't that feel good?
Perfect.
You can go now. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Want to know how to make such a hospital, guys? Then keep watching. First, let's draw an outline with a pencil. Nice and neat.
While you're drawing, I'll buy all the supplies. Let's go. The store is stocked. Wow, I'm in heaven. Check, please. It is so heavy. I love shopping.
Now let's trace the drawing with a liner. Let's go. All right, let's see what we have here. Oh yeah, that's the color I've been looking for. Let's get to the painting. Now we need all the markers we have to color the building. Let's do the sign. First, we'll fill up the base. I make the cross red so everyone knows it's a hospital. Now let's fill in the lettering itself. Moving on to the window frames. And finally, to the Windows panels themselves. Let's make them shine bright. Wow, that turned out amazing! Look at that!
Here I am. Look what I bought.
Nice one, Sammy. That's exactly what we need. Sammy bought us high-tech medical equipment. That's great. But we also need a cat patient. How's it gonna look?
Pink! Let's make it pink. It's my favorite color of all.
But there's no such thing as pink cats, Sam. I was thinking something like creme brulee, you know?
Did you say creme brulee?
Take it easy. I was just talking about color.
Color?
Yes.
Oh.
Okay, I'll just draw the cutest cat in the world. And now let's use the liner. We'll draw a red cat. Does this sound good, friends? Give a thumbs up if you like it. We're done! All right, let's cut it out. Aha! And now let's multiply them. Whoa, that's great! We've got all the cats here.
Hey, Raj, I've been thinking. Huh? What? It's candy. Yay! Come to Papa, my sweeties. My sweet precious. Let's open it.
What are you doing, Sam?
It is mine.
Give it back! Whoa! Is that transformed into paper candy? Sam, how did you do that?
Wizards don't reveal their secrets. And now, while no one's looking, aha! Finally, this candy's mine.
I think we need more pills. Yeah, here we go.
I brought more tools.
Thanks a lot, Sammy. Hey, I need that too. That's great. Now we have everything we need. We can open a hospital now. Yay!
This TV man is chasing me. Leave me alone. Ah! Oh no, Rod, please help me. It's coming.
It's all right, Sammy. This is our TV doctor.
Ah, what a relief.
I'm so tired. I think I need a vacation.
Sorry, Raj, but doctors don't take vacations. But don't you worry, I'll go on vacation for you. Friends, give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. See you soon.